Okay, good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. Okay, already we have been studying about the solar family, solar planets. We have completed total 8 planets that I have given information through the video, through the pictures, through the different images that we have searched it on Google, and I hope that you got the meaning of the solar family. In our family we have the different members. In the same way, in our solar family, in our solar planet, we have the sun, main head. Okay, then after Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. According to that, we have discussed and I have given and I have shared lots of information, different information about the solar planets, about the different planets. I have also given, we have explained about the moon, the phases of the moon, full moon, night, okay, about the different stages, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, everything we have completed. So once again, I am going to describe about the asteroids, okay, about the meteors. It is also known as the shooting stars, okay, and afterwards we are going to discuss about the comets, the last point, okay. And today or the tomorrow, I will try my best to send you the exercise, full exercise with answer, okay. So you will get everything. And after on page number 110, there is one activity that we are going to do today on this class. But before that, let's learn about the asteroids, meteors, and comets. 3 things. So these are also the members of our solar family, of our solar planets, of our galaxies. Okay, sun is the head, then different planets, 8 planets, then asteroid, meteors, comets. So now we are going to learn about asteroids, meteors, and the last point is comet, COMETES. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to share the screen, and according to the screen, you will get the concept of these 3 members of the solar family. Okay, so let's start. Okay, on your screen right now, are you able to see? Just show me the thumb on your screen right now. Easily. Okay, asteroids. So let's start. Okay, asteroids, comet, and meteors. Yesterday I have given you, I have shared the information about, okay, meteors. Okay, meteors, comets, asteroid, meteors. Then can see it, big build, asteroid, comets, and meteors. Okay, so are you ready, my dear student, to learn the different things? I hope that you are ready. Meteors. Okay, don't do this. Okay, I'm going to stop it. Now you are not able to do it. Okay. So you can easily do it, what we are going to study. Okay. Now, comet, then meteoroids, then asteroid. Okay, asteroid, it is here, you can see it, asteroids. Okay, asteroid or small are the small planets like heavenly bodies. So these are also the heavenly bodies. Okay, heavenly bodies, a large object in space mainly composed of rock, metal, and some ice, 1 to 100 of kilometer wide, and it is very long. The length is good, and it is also wide, 1 to 100 kilometers almost. Asteroids. Okay, so these they are large pieces of rock floating on a space. They are floating. Okay, and I have given lots of information about it. Okay, they are floating on the space. Just see size of the asteroids in between Jupiter and Mars. Okay, in between Jupiter and Mars, asteroid belts are there. Comets that we are going to learn afterwards. Okay, just see comets, lots of different things. Just see, it is look like the metal, it is look like the stone, small stone, but it is actually not like that. Okay, most of them are located between Mars and Jupiter, that we have already discussed. That most of the, okay, asteroid belts, you can here, you can clearly see it. Okay, asteroid belts are here, main asteroid belt in between Jupiter and Mars. This is the Jupiter and this is Mars planet. In between there is asteroid belt. You can see it, asteroid belts. Asteroid belts. The width and the length is good. That is almost 100 kilometer long, 100 kilometer wide. Just see, okay, it's look like the metal and the stone, but it is like this small planet. Okay, so it is called the asteroid belts. Asteroid belts are there. They are also called planetoids. So these asteroids, okay, asteroids also known as the planetoids or minor planets. It is known as, first is planetoids, P-L-A-N-E, planetoids. Planetoids, okay, planetoids, and also it is known as minor planet. Okay, minor planet. Minor planet it is also known as, okay, because of this size. Scientists believe that asteroids are broken parts of the planet. So, according to the lots of studies, it is also known as, believe that it is the part of the broken planet. Okay, let's move further now. Let's move further. You can see it here. Another pictures that I am going to show it so you can understand better way. Okay, asteroids. If you wanna take the screenshot of the asteroid, some of the information that it is here. Okay, I am going to do it here. You can see it. Asteroids. So first of all, we are discussing about. Okay, it is called the asteroid, made up of rock and metals. You can see it here in the other pictures. Here you can see it. It is made up of rocks and metal. Length 5 meter to nearly 1000 kilometer. The length, okay, length, and it is wide also from both sides. The length is about 100 kilometers, 5 meters to 100 kilometers. No tails like the comets. At least one found to have water. Okay. Most in asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Most of the, okay, most of the asteroids are found here in between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, probably from inside Jupiter's orbit. Okay, from inside Jupiter's orbit they made. So they have caused the main extinction of the Earth. Cause main extinction. Suppose this asteroid arrived very briefly, so you will It is the disaster moment, extinction. It will finish. It will, if suppose this asteroid fall on the planet of Earth, we will destroy it within seconds because it rushes very swiftly. Okay, it rushes very swiftly. Okay, then meteors now. Yesterday I have given you example meteors. In the night you must have seen some of the bright streak of light moving across the sky with great speed. During the night, my dear students, okay, you have seen it, such kind of pictures. So the first point is meteor. Okay, first point. Meteor is a small ball of light that appears in the night sky briefly. Okay, some of the pictures are here, you can see it. Just see here, just see here. Very swiftly they are going from one side to another, very swiftly moving. Okay. Second topic is, it is also called the shooting stars. Why? Just see the gun, how they are shooting the different plates. Okay. It is called, that's why it is called the, so that someone is shooting the bright ball on the sky. And that is why it is known as the shooting star. The third point is, some wishes upon the meteor and make wishes. In some of the Hindi Bollywood movies that you have seen it, okay, that if we wish to the meteors and they will fulfill our wishes, they will fulfill our needs. So sometimes some people still believe in all around the world, whenever we are watching that shooting star is moving on during the night, and at that time if you wish, it is believed that scientifically it is not proved yet, but some of the people, some of the all around the world, this issue is going on. If you wish, then it will fulfill. Okay, it is said that if you wish on a shooting star, you wish all will come true. Okay, the meteoroid, when it falls down into the earth atmosphere, is burns up into a meteor or a shooting star. Sometimes, okay, they burn up when they enter into the atmosphere of the earth. Okay, meteors are small pieces, they all are the small pieces. Okay, small pieces of rocks that are floating in the space. Then, like many heavenly bodies, they also revolve around the sun. Also, okay, they are also revolving around the sun, like other planets. They are moving around they are revolving around the sun. Okay, they cannot be seen as they are very small. It is believed that, okay, it is believed that it is not very small, but they are very big in size. Okay, shooting stars. Shooting stars. You can see it here, shooting star. Meteors. It is here. Meteor that I am going to show once again. Meteor. Okay, shooting star. Most of them burn up and become gases. Become gases when they enter into the atmosphere of the earth. It totally burns, and because of the friction between atmosphere and this meteor, they burns up. Swiftly they are entering in the atmosphere, and that's why the big light, okay, occurs. Then most of them burn up and become gases. Some big meteors do not burn up completely. They reach the surface of the earth and are called meteoroids. Meteoroids. When they hit the earth, they create large depressions known as craters. Just underline. Okay, on page number 109, when they hit the surface of the earth, it become the depression happen. Okay, and this depression known as craters. CRATERS. Craters, underline it. Okay, craters. Some of the famous craters can be seen at Ramgiri in Rajasthan. Okay, again I am going to stop the screen and I am going to show through this picture. Okay, here you can see it. Okay, craters. Craters, just underline it here. I hope that you are able to see what I am going to show it here. Craters. Okay, it's good for them. So, okay, next one is many such craters are found through the world. Some of the famous craters can be seen at Ramgarh in Rajasthan. Again, we are going to search it. Okay, I am going to share the screen right now. I am going to share the screen so you will understand what we are going to do now. Okay. Just look at here and I am going to search it crater. CRATERS. Okay. You will get all the different peaks, everything. Okay, images, we have to search it. Just see, different craters are all around. Just see how beautiful it is. It is because of how they fall. Just see here. Because I am going to show once again, so you will understand. I am going to draw it. Some of the meteors that rushing, that entering into the surface of the earth and they hit. Speedily. Okay, and create some. So this is called. It is called the CRATERS, craters. Okay, it is called the craters. So some of the famous craters are there. Okay, in all around the world it is there. So I am going to show them some of the craters, different pictures. This is the real images because of the meteoroids, because of the meteoroids that swiftly fall on the surface and they hit the surface of the earth, and this is the crater because of the meteoroids falls on the surface. The sea situated in the Rajasthan. This one is Ramgriha in Rajasthan. Craters of the world. See, it is because of. I am going to show. Just see. You can clearly see it. Just see once again another pictures. Craters. Okay. See. If you have seen the movie that Hrithik Roshan, okay, Hrithik Roshan, and in that movie Koi Mil Gaya, Hrithik Roshan, that some of the UFO that arrived, and because of the UFO arrived, that big craters happen. Okay, just see, observe it, the beauty, and because of the lake. Natural lake occurred, craters. See how beautiful it looks. It is that the photographs has taken from the earth, from this space. They hit the earth and they became the craters. Just see. Craters. The present that one, it is there. The present image that we have, it is here. Okay, it is taken from the satellite. from this space, and this one also, both. Okay. Some of the peaks, just see the beauty, it is because of the craters. Okay. Thousands of pictures are there available, craters. Okay. So that we are going to discuss, that we have studied. Now underline for 1 and 2 marks on page number 109. On page number 109. Okay, just see the peaks from underline from here. I am going to show once again. Okay, from here, the crater at Arizona in the USA. Okay, the crater at Arizona in the USA, it is the largest known as crater in the world. Which is the largest crater in the world? So your answer is the crater at Arizona in the USA, Arizona, biggest and largest crater of the world. Okay, just underline from here to here. I hope that you are getting from here to here. You have to underline everything. Okay, I am going to show this. I hope that you have done it. Very good. Okay, and next point that we are going, the many meteorites have been collected by scientists. Many meteorites has been collected by the scientists, and it's good, and they are going to study on them. Okay, they are useful in the study of our solar system. Most meteoroids contain a large amount of iron. Every meteoroid contains a large amount of iron. Okay, now multiple choice question that you have to do the activity on page number 110. Once again, page number 110, MCQ activity, it is there. MCQ activity, okay, it is there on page number 110. First question, it is blank are called shooting star. Okay, it is called meteors. Meteors are there, also known as the shooting star. You have to do tick mark here. Okay, that I have done it. Just see, meteors are the right answer. Then second one is unburnt part of meteor that reaches the surface of the earth is meteorite, unburnt, and it becomes the crater. Okay, meteorite, unburnt part of the meteors. Okay, I hope that you have done it. If you are, just show me, all of you, like this way, if you are doing or not. Just show me. Very nice, very good. Tir Patel, show me. Tir Patel, Kushi Patel, Patel the one on your camera and show me. Very nice. All students are very active now. Okay, that's good. If you have any doubt, any question, that we are going to discuss in our last 5 minutes. Okay, last 5 minutes that we are going to discuss it. Last point, comets. COMETS, comets, on page number 110. Okay, so now we are going to study, we are going to explain. I am going to explain with you. So comets are celestial bodies. Underline it. Comet, it is also the celestial bodies and made up of snow and rocky dust. Again, I am going to share the screen. Okay, let's start. Okay, that one is comets. Okay, comets, just see the same picture, it is there. Okay, comets are celestial bodies made up of snow. So this kind of, main thing you have to do it is, these comets are made up of first thing, it is the snow and rocky dust. Snow and rocky dust. Rocky dust. Rocky dust made up of these two things. Okay? Rocky dust. They also revolve around the sun. These comets also revolving around the sun, always, like the meteors, like the comets, planets, they are also revolving around the sun. Okay, when comets reach near the sun, they develop a long tail that starts glowing. Long tail, you can see it here. Okay, long tail. When they reaches near the sun, okay, they develop a long tail. You can see it here, long tail. Okay, you can see here, long tail. That is the tail when they reaches near the sun. Okay, when comets reach near the sun, they develop a long tail that start glowing. The tail is thousands of kilometers long. This tail, it is not about the 1 kilometer, but thousands of kilometers, more than 1,000 kilometer long tail. Okay, this tail, thousands of kilometers that you cannot count when it reaches to the sun. So in the past, people considered comets as bad omens. Scientists believe that there are about 2 billion comets orbiting the sun. 2 billions, the number you can see it. Okay, around 2 billions. 2 billions. Just see. Okay, 2 billions different comets are there. Okay, 2 billions. 2 billions comets are there. Orbiting means the shape, the proper shape. In that particular shape, they revolve around the sun. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet. Underline it. Okay, it can be seen once in every 76 years. It was last seen in 1986. Okay, comets. Halley's Comet, 1986. There are some comets that take even more time than Halley's Comet to orbit the sun. Okay, small bodies of ice, rock, and cosmic dust. Okay, you can see that comets, asteroids, long tail, you can clearly see it. Okay, meteoroids. Then here you can see it, Halley's Comet. This is the Halley's Comet. Okay, it is there, can be seen every 76 years. Every 76 years it can be seen. 76 years. And Halley's Comet, it is last seen it is in 1986. Last it can seen. Okay, there are some comets that take more time. Halley's Comet orbit the sun. Okay, so that we have discussed. Everything, my dear students. Okay, once again, comets, just see comets, asteroids, different peaks. Just see once again all these things. Okay, meteoroids, comets, about the solar planet. Okay, you can clearly see it, my dear students. Okay, now again, okay,